Black lawmakers in Illinois called for an end to systemic racism today. Our Capitol Bureau Chief Mark Maxwell is live in the Capitol tonight. So, Mark, the Illinois Legislative Black Caucus staged the event just moments before a hearing on police use of force.
And Paul, good evening. The Black Caucus echoed many calls from Black Lives Matter activists who have made the case this year that systemic racism goes far beyond just those police encounters with Black Americans, but also said that they often pervade many parts of our society, from our schools to housing to our healthcare systems. The Senate committee held the first of many of these ongoing discussions, examining the role of police and their use of force. But the Black Caucus also highlighted many of those other areas in society. They held that press conference today in Chicago, but also responded to calls from local activists who have marched in the streets here in Springfield this year, organizing around many events this summer, calling for all of us to see each other and treat each other as true equals.
I think we really have to work on the mindset and the culture that is within police departments. Sometimes it appears that there is a fear of Black people in general, even if we're not doing anything that should be considered an act of aggression or anything like that. If you just have a general basis of you fear them more, you're more likely to react negatively.
Expert witnesses at that special Senate committee hearing called for a tracking database to monitor when police use force, not just deadly force, but any force at all. That would give some increased oversight. Senator L.G. Sims, who chairs that committee, says that, yes, sometimes systemic racism is complex and hard to find. It's woven into the fabric of our community, but sometimes it's also overt and simple. You can see it. Some of the critics at that hearing today cited concerns about reports that white supremacists or their sympathizers had tried to find their way into police departments, perhaps applying for jobs. And many of those critics also said police unions have too often fought against oversight of the recruitment process of new officers or the training of those officers once they wear the badge. Paul?
Yeah, certainly something that I'm sure this conversation will continue later on into the year, and I know you'll follow it. Mark Maxwell tonight in Springfield. Mark, thanks.